Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and heart-opening practice of Anusara Yoga. If you're looking for a yoga style that combines physical alignment with a deep sense of inner awareness, this video is for you. So let's get started. Part 1. What is Anusara Yoga? Anusara Yoga, which means flowing with grace or following your heart, was founded by John Friend in 1997. It's a modern take on Hatha Yoga that focuses on alignment, attitude, and action. But more importantly, it's about finding your own unique path to express yourself through yoga. In Anusara, the poses are just the starting point. The real magic happens when we combine our physical alignment with a joyful, heart-centered practice. This is why it's sometimes called the yoga of the heart. Part 2. The principles of Anusara Yoga. Anusara Yoga is based on 5 universal principles of alignment which help us cultivate strength, balance, and flexibility. Let's break them down. Number 1. Open to grace. Begin every pose with an open heart and a sense of spaciousness. It's about being receptive to what the practice has to offer. Number 2. Muscular energy. Engage your muscles to create stability and support. This principle keeps us safe and strong in each pose. Number 3. Inner spiral. This is an energetic spiral that helps us create more space and freedom in our body, especially in the lower back and pelvis. Number 4. Outer spiral. It complements the inner spiral by grounding us and stabilizing the hips and legs. This helps us stay rooted and steady. Number 5. Organic energy. Finally, extend outwards from the core of your body, bringing the pose to life and expressing your inner light. Part 3. Benefits of Anusara Yoga. Anusara Yoga offers a ton of benefits both physically and mentally. It improves flexibility, builds strength, and enhances body awareness, but beyond that, it encourages us to embrace life with an open heart and to find the beauty in every moment. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, Anusara can be a transformative practice that not only aligns your body but also uplifts your spirit. Part 4. Sample Anusara Yoga sequence. Now, I'm going to guide you through a short Anusara inspired sequence that you can try at home. Remember, it's not about perfecting the poses, but about finding joy in the movement. Number 1. Mountain pose. Start by standing tall, feet together, heart open. Feel your feet rooted to the ground and lengthen through your spine. Number 2. Heart opening warrior. Step 1. Foot back, bending the front knee. Lift your arms overhead and open your heart towards the sky. Imagine your energy expanding outwards. Number 3. Extended side angle pose. With your legs wide, place your front hand on the ground or a block. Reach the top arm over your head, feeling the inner spiral in your legs and the openness in your heart. Number 4. Tree pose. Bring your foot to your inner thigh, hands at your heart. Feel grounded and balanced with a soft smile on your face. Number 5. Seated twist. Sit down, cross one leg over the other and twist gently Lengthen through your spine and feel the twist, releasing any tension. Hold each pose for a few breaths and remember to move with grace and intention. Thank you so much for joining me today. Anusara Yoga is truly a beautiful practice that invites us to live from the heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Unwind Vibes for more yoga and wellness content. Remember, yoga is not about how we look, but how we feel. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.